Okay, hello everyone. Today we are at Gajoldoba. Luckily, the police allowed me permission to fly the drone out here in this wetlands. So I'm gonna launch from near La Vita Nuova. I don't know what is that exactly for. So we are gonna launch my drone from here, my Mavic Mini. The GPS is calibrated, everything is done. So I'm gonna start the recording now, and in recording started. Let's see what we can explore and then we will see. এখানে red জ্বলছে, right? Red, cool.
Take off. The home
And here
port
goes
has
my
been
drone.
updated. Please check it on the
So
map.
I got to set the basic functionalities: up, down, left, right, back, front, yaw. Perfect. So I'm gonna take off. My plan is to cover all those areas and see what all I can cover. So and here it goes. I'm gonna increase the altitude. I'm gonna pitch the gimbal down a bit, and I got to be careful about the high tension wires, which I don't see anything, neither from the naked eye nor anything. So let me go and see what all I can explore. So this is actually a bird sanctuary, so I got to be careful about the birds as well. So what I will do is that explore some of the wetlands. So let me tell you what all these areas are. So these are the wetlands of the river Teesta. Now if I pitch the gimbal up, you can see river Teesta the backdrop. So this is the Gajoldoba barrage. I won't show you any pictures of the barrage because that is illegal and we are not allowed. So what I will do is that I'll try to explore all these areas, and I obviously cannot go over the forest because that is also illegal. Police asha, huh? So police are patrolling this area for some reasons, because lots of activities happen in these areas. So you can see like these are the wetlands of river Teesta. Oh, I saw a bird. Let me increase the altitude to around 40 meters. The problem is the light is not much, so I'm going to increase the exposure a bit to 1.0, and I'm going to pitch the gimbal up. It's already dark, so I am at an altitude of around 48 meters, which is okay, not a big deal. Till now no signal lag, so which is actually a good thing. Oh, I am noticing some signal lags. So I'm gonna hit these areas, this delta lake formation. So there are a lot of migratory birds. So if you come in the winter season, especially around in the month of like November or December, you can hire the local boats, which you are gonna see right now. You can see like these are the local boats. In my GoPro you can see these are the local boats, so you can hire them and just take your camera and like hang out and watch these birds and click pictures. I see a lot of boats. Yeah, there are a couple of boats out here. So currently I'm at a distance of around 430 meters plus at an altitude of around 48 meters. So currently my signal is pretty much good. My battery strength is around 82%. I have been, so this is an amazing, bro, just have a look.
Oh, কি আশ্চর্য এটা!
So these are the views, some awesome views. You can see the boats.
Exactly, where is this? 400 meter.
Let me just go a bit and let me see if I can get the boat. I have to be careful not to lose my drone, obviously, because see, you can see the boats, right? So these boats are mainly used for bird watching. Today we are not going to take this boat. Let me pitch the gimbal up.
না না ওইটা ওইদিকে আরো আছে হয়তো। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
So what I will do right now is come to this spot.
এইখান থেকে নামে আর জল বেশি নাই এখানে আমি আগের দিন দেখেছিলাম লোকজন নিচে নামছিল
So tell you what is the deal out here. On the other side of the road that where we are standing, I can think you can see us like 2 tiny dots or like 3 like tiny dots. So that is the government tourism area. So I am not allowed to fly over there. I mean, I don't have the permission, but I think I can fly. But this area, the wetlands of the river Teesta. So this is the area where you will see a lot of migratory birds. You will see a lot of cool like in the winter season you can see a lot of activity out here, and that's what's make this place a lot interesting. You can see boats right down. That's us on the left hand side. So what I will do is that I will go to that area a bit. It's a nice place, nice little area to explore. Currently I am doing in good in terms of battery. It's around 74%, which is quite okay. So make sure your antennas are facing perpendicular to the drone. Make sure you use the compass efficiently. What I'm gonna do is that head towards these areas, these wetland areas. So I will return when I am at 60% of the battery. Currently I am at around 71%. I am able to notice a lot of signal lag. I can see a lot of birds as well, so I got to be a bit careful. So you can see the boats, right? So these are all used for exploring the sanctuary part. So currently I'm in distance of 531 meter. What I'm gonna do is that, oh, I think I am being chased by birds. So what I'll do is that I will simply head back towards base right now, which is my location. So this is actually the backwaters of river Teesta. So if you come in the winter season, you'll be able to explore a lot of migratory birds. At that time I am not allowed to fly the drone because it will be an interfere, like we will be interfering with the natural habitat, which we don't want to do. So that's us. I'm gonna head back towards us. It was a short flight. It was a short 9 minutes flight. That's the entire Gajoldoba area. Let me see if I can make this opportunity. I don't want to go to that area, but let me see if I can give you a 360-degree view of the entire area, you know. Language, sir. These all are going into YouTube. So that's us. That's the boat. So what I'll do is that right now I'm gonna return back to the base. So I am able to hear a very faint sound of the drone right now, and here it is. So it's just vertical above us. So what I will do right now, adjust the antennas and bring it back.
Latu, side से दे, ठीक है फिर.
Huh?
सारा.
Yeah, I was noticing that. এখন তার আছে?
হ্যাঁ? না না নেমে যাবে. খাওয়া যায়.
So I'm gonna make it land right now. I see a lot of police patrolling going over here because, as I said earlier, some activities happen. So people come here. There are lots of dark alleys where people just get involved into some illegal activities. So obviously police has to take care of that, you know. So here is my drone, and I hope that was a nice flight. I hope you enjoyed this flight. So those are my friends. Hold on, yeah, these are my friends. That's Dibyo, that's Ritika, and that's Sanjana. So all are from my college days. Oh, I guess you are not able to see it, so hold on. Yeah, now you'll be able to see them. Yeah, say hi.
Hi.
Dibbo, Ritika, and Sanjana. So what I will do is, right, I am gonna land it.
Landing.
Yeah, it was a good flight. It was an awesome flight. I hope you enjoyed this flight. Please like this video if you feel that the video was good. Subscribe to my channel if you wanna.
বসু সূর্যটা ভিউ নিতে পারবি?
Actually yes, but it won't come good. In drone it won't come good. No, it won't come good. It doesn't have that much good of a camera, but I will try it. Let me see if I can
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So the sun is actually looking quite beautiful out here. So it's actually sunset time. So I will try to take a shot. Oh yeah, so let me decrease the exposure a bit.
আমি তুলেছি.
So that's pretty much a beautiful shot. Anyway, not much to explore, so I'm gonna bring it back. I guess that was a short deviation of flight, and that was a nice braking system by my drone. Actually this is a pretty much good drone, and you know, like it's very stable.
Landing.
And that was a good catch. Hand landing. I am gonna stop the recording right now. Again, I hope you enjoyed my video. See you soon in another drone exploration video from my channel again. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and see you soon. Goodbye.